How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. We're back with another video. We're working on the log arch. If you're wanting to follow along on this build, I'm going to try to give you the most detailed version of the log arch build that I can. That way you know exactly what I'm using in this build. And I will have a playlist on my channel. It'll say log arch build. So, to give you the best description of how I'm building it and what I'm using is to do videos on each individual piece that I use throughout the build. Over here I have a picture of what the back end of my log arch is going to look like. Let me focus in on this right here. And I know it's not the greatest. So here's what our log arch looks like in the back. We don't want the spindle to go all the way through. We want to be able to pull this over the log, drive over the log, and have this axle on one side of the log and this on the other side of the log. So what we're going to do is we're going to use these spindles here. We're going to use these. Now I'm going to show you, this is a spindle that I had purchased for it. Now if you want to know, you should be able to stop that and get all the information you need. It's a 1250 pound capacity. So that gives you 1250 pounds on each side. So you're talking 2,500 pounds we'll be able to haul with this. It's this piece here, right here, where you're going to slide into either a piece of square tubing or round tubing, is about 1.25 inches. The overall length of the whole thing is about 8.25 inches. Now, what I did when I picked this up is I bought the hubs to match these spindles. And that way I knew for sure I was getting a perfect match. Now, in this kit that you get, it came with the washer and the lock nut, but I didn't get a carter pin. I'm not too much worried about that, and there's not a carter pin in either one of mine. So what I'll do is I'll look these up on Amazon. If I can find a link, I will leave a link in the description for Amazon. Otherwise, I did pick this up at Royal King, and I think maybe Tractor Supply would have the same type of axle. And like I said, if I can find them on Amazon, I'll leave a link for them. Otherwise, just go to either one of them and you'll be able to pick them up. Now, my thing was I didn't know if I wanted to use round stock, which I already have. I have round stock, and I can take this and stick it in there and shim it up and weld it in place. Or I go and get some square stock and stick it in, and I basically got to do the same thing, shim it in and square it up and weld it, you know. So I definitely wanted to do a video on each piece that we use for this log arch. We want the best detailed log arch that we can give you. So this is the first piece that we're doing the video on, to make sure you know exactly what I'm using in this build. So that is the trailer axle spindle that we're going to be using on the log arch. And hopefully you guys are following along. Those of you who want to build one of these and trying to get ideas, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to give you the best ideas that's going through my head, and not saying that they're right. I'm just saying that's what's going on. So I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.